Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the solar street light installation I recently completed on my farm. I picked up the Home Hop 120-watt street light from Amazon. With little bit of planning and a lot of help from my local friends, we got up and running. First, I sourced the old borewell drill pipe from the scrap shop, gave it a fresh coat of paint, and repurposed it as a pole. Then we built a strong foundation using the cement and stone to make sure that the pole stands strong and sturdy. The final step, mounting the solar panel unit on top of the pole. Important disclaimer, this part was done by an expert under safe conditions. Please do not try this on your own unless you have the right experience and safety measures in place. Home of 120-watt solar street light comes with a remote and an integrated unit of solar panel and the LED bulb. And the setup is relatively easy, and you can switch on and switch off the solar light when it's not necessary using the remote. It also comes with a remote auto mode, which can be used to automatically turn on and off when day and night switches. There are multiple choices of street lights that you can choose from. I picked Home Hub based on my research, and it's not a sponsored video. Once the installation is complete, you put the lights into auto mode, and just like that, it lights up beautifully when sensor detects low light. Since the installation, it has been providing ample light for safe and easy walking around the farm at night. If you found this helpful or inspiring, please don't forget to like, share, and